In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more lines in VS Code Terminal. If you've ever run a long script or tailed logs and realized the start of your output vanished, this simple setting will help your terminal remember more history so you can scroll back further and keep important context. Start by opening Visual Studio Code. With the editor up, look to the top menu and click File. From there, hover over Preferences. A submenu appears, choose Settings. This opens the settings view, which is where we'll make the change. If you prefer, you can also reach settings from the gear icon in the lower left, but we'll continue with the menu path we just used. In the settings search bar at the top, type terminal integrated dot scrollback. This is the exact name of the setting we need. VS Code will filter the list and highlight the terminal section with the scrollback option. Scrollback is simply the number of lines the integrated terminal keeps in its buffer, meaning how far back you can scroll to see previous output. By default, VS Code keeps roughly 1,000 lines, which is fine for short commands, but not enough for verbose builds, test runs, or long-running logs. Click into the value field next to scrollback and enter the number of lines you want the terminal to retain. A practical range for most development workflows is 5 to 10,000 lines. If you regularly handle very chatty logs, you can go higher. Just remember that the terminal stores this in memory, so extremely large values can use more resources and may affect performance on lower spec machines. You don't need to click Save. The setting applies immediately. A quick tip about behavior: increasing the scrollback won't recover lines that were already trimmed in an existing terminal session. It only affects what gets retained going forward. If you want to start fresh with the new limit, open a new terminal instance or clear and rerun your command so the output is captured under the updated setting. That's all there is to it. Open VS Code, go to File, Preferences, Settings, search for terminal.integrated.scrollback, and set the value that matches your needs. With this small tweak, you'll keep more history at your fingertips, making it easier to audit logs, review build steps, and troubleshoot issues without rerunning commands. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more scroll-friendly terminal in VS Code.